Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear followers, welcome to my channel. We continue to provide a lesson learn Arabic language. Today we will learn about 3 new letters, but before that we will do a little review. In our previous lesson we learned about the letter Kha and the letter Dal and the letter Dhal. The letter Kha plus Fatha is reading Kha, Kha, Kha. The letter Kha plus Dhamma is reading Khu, Khu, Khu. The letter Kha plus Kasra is reading Khi, Khi, Khi. The letter Kha plus Sakin is reading Kh, Kh. The letter Dal plus Fatha is reading Da, Da, Da. The letter Dal plus Dhamma is reading Do, Do, Do. The letter Dal plus Kasra is reading Di, Di, Di. The letter Dal plus Sakin is reading Id, Id, Id. The letter Dal plus Fatha is reading The, The, The. The letter Dal plus Dhamma is reading Dhu, Dhu, Dhu. The letter Dal plus Kasra is reading Thi, Thi, Thi. The letter Dal plus Sakin is reading Th, Th, Th. Now, in today's lesson, we will learn about 3 new letters. The letter Ra, Ra, Ra. The letter زاي زاي حرف الزاي. The letter سين 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 حرف السين. In Arabic language there are 3 vowels. الفتحة, الضمة, الكسرة, السكون. It's not vowel. The letter Ra plus Fatha equals Ra, Ra. The letter Ra plus Fatha is reading Ra, رجل, رجل. The letter Ra plus Dhamma equals Ru, Ru. The letter Ra plus Dhamma is reading Ru, Ru. رمان, رمان. The letter Ra plus Kasra equals Ri, Ri. The letter Ra plus Kasra is reading Ri, Ri, Ri. رسالة, رسالة. The letter Ra plus Sukun equals R, R. The letter Ra plus Sukun is reading R, R. طربوش, طربوش. The letter Zay plus Fatha equals Za, Za. The letter Zay plus Fatha is reading Za, Za. زرافة, زرافة. The letter Zay plus Dhamma equals Zu, Zu. The letter Zay plus Dhamma is reading Zu, Zu. ظهور, ظهور. The letter Zay plus Kasra equals Z, Z, Z. The letter Z plus kasra is reading Z. 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 Zirron. Zirron. The letter Z plus sukun equals Z. Z. The letter Z plus sukun is reading Z. Z. مزهرية. مزهرية. The letter sin plus fatha equals sa. Sa. The letter sin plus fatha is reading sa. Sa. سمكة. سمكة. The letter sin plus dhamma equals su. Su. The letter sin plus dhamma is reading su. Su. سلحفاة. سلحفاة. The letter sin plus kasra is reading si. Si. The letter sin plus kasra equals si. 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 ستار. ستار. The letter sin plus sukun equals s. S. The letter sin plus sukun is reading s. 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 مسمار. مسمار. And now let's play again. Look at the train and remember. In which train car does the letter Z sit? Let's see the scene again. It is sitting in the last carriage. And now, in which train car does the letter sin sit? Good, it is sit in the green carriage. A, U, I, E. Ba, bu, bi, b. Ta, tu, ti, t. Tha, thu, thi, th. Ja, ju, ji, j. Ha, hu, hi, h. Kha, khu, khi, kh. Da, du, di, d. Tha, thu, thi, th. Ra, ru, ri, r. Za, zu, zi, z. Sa, su, si, s. Today's lesson is over. See you next class.